Hey guys, my name is Neil and welcome to NEEL Workshop Zone. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about, the remaining types of collection data types. So if you haven't checked out the previous video, which, the link is in the description, in that video we talked about, how lists work and how, the changes, like for example, what are the differences compared to lists and dictionaries, etc. But I haven't gone into much detail about it and talked about the remaining types of collection data types. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about those. So yeah, without any further ado, let's talk about it. So first, let's talk about tuples. So like I said in my previous video, there are 4 types of collection data types. You have tuples, set, lists, and dictionary. So tuples. It is, ordered, but it's unchangeable, and it does allow duplicates. So basically, in tuples, like I said in the previous video about ordered, changeable duplicates, which if I haven't checked it out, you can check it. But just to do a little recap, ordered basically means, for example, let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ordered means this is an order. There are some types of collection data types which are unordered. So basically, if you add an extra 1 to it, it can add somewhere in the random. So for example, if you say to add 6, it can just random in the middle of it. But ordered means that if you want to add a value, it'll only add at the end of it. So for example, if you add 6, it'll add at the end. So that is what ordered is. Unchangeable means, the placement of it, and out of those, you have duplicates, which means that you can write multiple values, so 1, 1, or 2, 2, etc. And it is allowed to make duplicates in tuples. So that is basically how tuples work. Now let's talk about the remaining types of collection data types, which are, dictionary, etc. So now let's talk about dictionary. So dictionary is ordered, it is changeable, but it does not allow duplicates. So for example, in dictionary, if you wrote something like an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is ordered, but it can be changeable. But duplicates, you cannot add multiple of them. So for example, you have 1, 2, 1, 2. This is an invalid dictionary because, you cannot have, duplicate values of dictionary. So that is basically how dictionary is. Now let's talk about the final type of collection data types, which is set. So in a set, the collection data types, it is unordered, unchangeable, and does not allow duplicates as well. So basically set is similar to all of them, but it's unordered, it's unchangeable, and it does not allow duplicates. So for example, in a set, if you wrote something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is okay. But if you try to add another one, like for example 1 again, it won't work. Same as the other ones. So if it's, you try to add another one, it can randomly add it somewhere, but it cannot be the same value that you already used. So that is basically how set works. Now there are some things that I haven't talked about it, like how they are unchangeable and unordered, and they didn't go that much deep into it. But we'll talk about them more in the practical episode because it's a much more better way of understanding it. So yeah, those are collection data types, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos. And that's all folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.